Guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Runa, and today is Makeup Monday, and I am just gonna do a really chit chat get ready with me makeup look. I'm really feeling the pink vibes. I want to do like a pink cut crease. That's what I'm feeling. So if you guys want to stay along with this, chit chat get ready with me, go ahead and subscribe down below. Don't forget to turn on notifications because it's about to get juicy. And yeah, let's get started. First thing that I did, you guys, is I went ahead and took this Born This Way multi-use concealer. This is actually one of my favorites, and I just put it on to my lids just to blank out my canvas and make all of the eyeshadows appear much more pigmented. So that's what I use. I used to use the MAC one, but I tend to like how the Too Faced applicator is a little bit better. So that's what I do. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take this Morphe 433 brush right over here. And this is basically a MAC 217 brush. If you can see that right there. There you go, front view. And what this is basically a very good blending brush. And I love this blending brush. So the first thing that I'm gonna go into is I'm just gonna go ahead and take this color right here. This is this like pink bold color. I'm gonna start from back here because this is where my eyeshadow, like, this is where it begins. Because my brows, see that? See that? Continue to build this color. I really like to use a MAC 217 brush when I'm doing color because I need my color to stay in one freaking place. And we're not here to play. So guys, right now, this is just basically like color placement. You want to know exactly where to place your eyeshadow, and just sometimes like doing a really light trace of it is a good way to know where the eyeshadow is going to go, and then just do a really good, eyeshadow check. Like, am I popping? And when you are popping, you just move forward and you start building the color up. So I'm gonna continue to build this color, and as you can see, as I'm building it, just go in with a light hand and make sure you're blending the color out precisely. And I like to kind of put my head up a little bit. Color placement is very important when you're doing eyeshadow. You always want to know exactly where you're placing your color so you can continue to make the cutest eyeshadow looks ever. And then I'm just gonna continue to shape this eye. You see? And then I'm just gonna continue to kind of bring this upwards so it's not gonna make my eyes look droopy. I usually like to build the color and then blend the lines out. I feel like if you try to blend the lines out all at the same time, you just wanna make sure like there's no crazy line like right here, then you blend those out. But if there's a line just forming right here, you can blend that out later on. I'm gonna tap on this color. I'm gonna go in with a little bit more of a different technique. And now I'm gonna do the tapping technique. Get that on really good. I'm gonna go ahead and mix these two colors. I don't even know the names of them anymore. Just gonna mix them. I just think that's the perfect shade. And this is just to add some dimension because there's like, it just looks like pink eyeshadow right now. So we're just gonna add some really good dimension. So every time I add in a color, I like to go back in with the color that I originally used, and I like to use that to just like blend this color in right here. A little bit of the pink onto this, and I'm gonna use that to blend all this. Okay guys, so as you can see, I did a little bit of a cut crease, so I'm just gonna go in with some of that concealer, and I'm gonna put it down right here. I'm gonna look up. Wait, did I look up? And then that's kind of like a guideline for me. And then I just create the line. Take your time. Obviously, this is not a 5-minute like look. This is something you do like, sometimes I like to lift my head backwards like that. And that just like makes my skin a little bit more tight. And it's a little bit more easier to draw the line. Take a little detailing brush. So this is a detailing brush. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with that pink, and I'm going to make a really clean line. And what this clean line does is it adds color. because after all the blending, things start to fade. So I just draw that line as so. Obviously it looks really harsh. So then I'll just go in with a smaller brush and I'll have that small brush blend that out. So that's pretty much the eyes. I mean, I'm really happy how it turned out. I feel like my skills are getting better and this is fire. I can't wait to finish the whole look. I went ahead and prepped my skin with the Versali Unicorn Essence and the Skin Tune Blur. You guys know I love this combo. I like to focus this one more right over here, the green one more over in these areas where I tend to get a lot more texture and I need a little bit of filler. And I use Unicorn Essence all over my skin because it has more of an antioxidant serum in it. It's serum-y, it's like, it makes your makeup stay on. So I like skincare makeup. It's easy, you don't gotta do too many things. Life is great. And then this is also a primer serum as well. So I'm just gonna give myself some, this better be an exact match because light medium had me kind of like, you know, alarmed. So just gonna take, okay, so I obviously took a lot. Today I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty Concealer. I have been really liking this concealer. It's been my thing. I have, the color is in 310. I've been really into it and it's been pretty cool. I don't know why I cleaned that up. I wanted to keep it a little, you know, messy, so I have to go back in and blend all that. And yes, you guys, I do the whole triangle thing. I don't know, I find this whole triangle thing like so relaxing for me, and I just do it. Now that I have that, I'll just go in with my Dab Beauty Blender and I'll just blend this out. And I love how this Fenty concealer blends. It's so nice. Okay, so I went in with the Resi highlighter. It looks, this is like one of my favorite highlighters right now. It's just like fire. Like, look at that. And then I also went in and I just did a cream contour. Forgot to talk about it when I was doing it. I just went ahead and just applied a cream contour because I just didn't want to do, I feel like this foundation is a little heavy. So I wanted to do more of a cream, not so much of a, powder. For today's blush, I'm gonna go in with MAC Peaches. So freaking pretty. I love this blush. I think I like anything, all blushes that are peachy. They're so pretty to me. So I'm really gonna pack on my blush, you guys. I love packed on blush, especially when you have like such a heavy eye. Just looks really pretty. That blush on, I'm gonna just put on a little bit more. And I like to raise my blush up a little bit just to, you know, get my face to go upwards. And then I'm gonna do a little bit of blush over here. I just love blush everywhere type of thing. I'm one of those. I'm real blushy. And then just kind of like blend it out a bit. And then after doing that, I'm just gonna go in with a stippling brush and I'm just gonna blend everything out because, you know, it just makes sense to do that. And then I need to do the under eyes and like just kind of make it a little bit more like, you know, one. These eyes look nice. I'm gonna go ahead and use this Morphe M321 brush. It's a really tiny like pencil brush, and I'm just gonna go ahead and take the pink and the purple. I'm gonna mix both colors together, but I'm gonna put a lot more pink on there. And then I'm just going to take that and I'm gonna blend it. And I'm gonna really focus the color on the outside, and I'm gonna keep just like airbrushing the hell over here. Like just airbrush the heck out of it. I'm gonna finish off this look with the Foxy lip pencil from Mented. You guys know I always tell you I love this lip liner. Do a really nudie lip, so I'm gonna go in with this I Love Sarahi ColourPop color, and you gotta blend this a little bit. Okay, so this is officially the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup Monday. It was fun just getting ready with each other. I'm trying to get better at makeup tutorials and talk throughs. Sometimes I get so in the zone I forget to talk about what I'm doing. So I'm trying to get like really better at it. If you guys like this makeup tutorial, you guys like this look, I know a lot of you guys have been requesting me to do a hair tutorial. Honestly, you guys, I will do a hair tutorial, but I'm gonna be very real with you. My hair tutorial is just very basic. Like I just use a little 1-inch curling iron and then I just curl it out, and yeah. I don't do much. I keep it very, you know, simplistic. But anyways, you guys, I hope you guys like this video. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah.